Moving from DLA to PIP. Personal Independence Payment is the benefit that is gradually replacing Disability Living Allowance, otherwise known as DLA. In this video, we are going to explain the key things you need to know when transferring from DLA to PIP. If you are receiving DLA and were not 65 or over on the 8th of April 2013 and you are 16 or older, your DLA will stop and you'll need to claim PIP instead, even if you have a lifetime or indefinite award from DLA. There are two important things to remember here. Firstly, you won't automatically move over to PIP. You'll get a letter from the Department for Work and Pensions, the DWP, asking you to make a new claim. Secondly, you cannot claim PIP too early or you could end up losing your DLA. You'll be asked to make a claim for PIP when any of the following happens. Your DLA ends because it was awarded for a fixed period of time. Your condition changes and the DWP sent you a letter asking for you to claim PIP. You turn 16. After your 16th birthday, the Department for Work and Pensions, the DWP, will send a letter inviting you to apply for Personal Independence Payment, PIP, by a certain date. You need to apply by the date given in the letter, otherwise your Disability Living Allowance, DLA, payments will stop. Once you call to register for PIP, you have 28 days to complete the application form. You can call the PIP inquiry line if you need more time. The DWP might give you an extension and continue to pay your DLA. If you miss the deadline and your pay is suspended, you'll need to claim for PIP within 4 weeks of the start of your suspension, or your DLA will be stopped completely. If you have a Motability vehicle, it will be reassessed when you move to PIP. You'll only qualify for the Motability scheme if you're given the enhanced rate for Motability. If you don't get the enhanced rate, you'll have to return your vehicle. If you're asked to return your Motability vehicle, you should return your vehicle within 8 weeks of your DLA payment stopping, or 26 weeks if you joined Motability before 2014. You might be entitled to a one-off payment from your Motability when you return your vehicle, depending on its condition and when you joined Motability. If you keep your car for 26 instead of 8 weeks, you'll get a smaller payment. You can ask the DWP to reconsider the amount of PIP they've decided to give you if you got a lower rate than you expected. You can only do this within 1 month of the date on your decision letter. However, you will still need to return your vehicle within the deadline while you are waiting for a decision. If you have reached state pension age, you can still get PIP if you were already getting PIP before you reach state pension age and your condition has not changed. If you have been claiming Disability Living Allowance, DLA, and you've had a letter inviting you to apply for PIP. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020 884 88319, or alternatively, email them at info@dash.org.uk.